Hey guys, I'm here in the morning. It's a little before school. If you check out in my friend's KKU17, he has like a picture of a cross. I'm being in the third episode. I'm being mauled by my dog because he does it. He does his videos at night. Oh, I shut it off on accident. My computer. Andy, where'd you go? I want to see if he gets here. Stretch out farther. Listen. Andy. There she is. Little Brandy is right here. Right here. Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Oh! Oh my God! What? Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh! You already gotta stop a video. Okay. Let's speak for it. Kill me. Oh no, don't drag me again. Don't drag me again. You're not gonna pull my pants off. I cannot. No. Stop it. Stop it, dog. Oh God, baby, stop. This is a real phone call now. Hello? Nothing. I'm just being mauled by puppy. I'm recording a YouTube video. The puppy started mauling me. No, she's pulling my pants off. No. Dad, tell her to stop. What's going on with your booty? Is he forgetting something or what? What? Yeah, pick up like McDonald's or something. And maybe we can try to make the bus today. Well, you don't have to, but why is this dog so obsessed with mauling me? What? It's Bandy! Okay, now my pants are just off. Oh, I dropped the phone and I got Bandy away. Okay, thanks for telling Bandy to stop, Dad.
Sure.
Better stop the video now.